Welcome to our discussion, and now we are going to tackle about the medical tourism. At the end of this lesson, you must be able to define the medical tourism, discuss the evolution of medical tourism in the Philippines, the, describe the Philippines as a global healthcare destination, identify the medical services offered in the medical tourism, describe the traditional wellness treatment in the Philippines, classify the spas in the Philippines, explain the medical tourism packages, discuss the myths on medical tourism, and get acquainted with the accredited healthcare providers in the Philippines. Definition of medical tourism. Medical tourism form of tourism which aims to attract visitors to a place of healthcare services and to help patients venture out of the hospital to explore the various tourist attractions of the Philippines. This is a type of travel where people go to another place to get medical care. In the Philippines, medical tourism not only offers high quality healthcare services but also encourages patients to visit and enjoy the country's tourist spots. This blend of healthcare and travel helps patients recover while experiencing the beauty and culture of the.
Definition of medical tourism. Medical tourism is a form of tourism designed to attract visitors seeking healthcare services. It encourages patients to explore tourist attractions in the Philippines while receiving medical treatment, aiming for total wellness by balancing mind, body, and spirit.
Filipinos are known for their exceptional care and compassion. Often described as natural life givers, the Philippines are emerging as a central hub for global healthcare in Asia, combining high-quality medical services with the allure of a tropical paradise. Patients can enjoy world-class treatments at more affordable prices, making the country a popular destination for a medical tourism.
The main reasons why patients who seek a medical career overseas are advanced technology and better quality of healthcare. For the advanced technology, 40% of patients choose a medical career abroad due to advanced technology in foreign hospitals, enabling a faster and more accurate diagnosis and treatment, leading to more efficient patient care and higher quality of medical services. Then, for the better quality of healthcare, 32% of patients choose a medical career abroad due to superior healthcare quality, resulting in a higher standards of facilities, specialized doctors, and more effective treatments. This confidence in quality care and recovery rate drives patients to seek treatment overseas.
Patients patients seeking medical care overseas cite faster medical services, 15% as a primary reason due to shorter waiting times and quicker access to specialists. Additionally, lower costs 9% attract patients seeking more affordable medical treatments and procedures abroad compared to their home countries. These factors underscore the appeal of efficiency and cost effectiveness in medical tourism decisions.
Evolution of medical tourism in the Philippines. Medical tourism in the Philippines has deep roots, largely due to the country's long history of Western medical care. The establishment of the University of Santo Tomas in 1611 marked a significant milestone. As the oldest university in Asia, it included a medical school from its inception, setting the foundation for Western-style medical education in the country. The Philippines medical system has consistently adhered to Western philosophies, methods, and approaches. This adherence has contributed to the country's reputation for providing high-quality medical care, making it an attractive destination for medical tourists seeking treatments and procedures at competitive prices. Over the years, the Philippines has developed a robust healthcare infrastructure and a pool of highly skilled medical professionals, further bolstering its status in the global medical tourism industry.
Filipino doctors are graduates from the best medical institution in the US, Asia, and Europe. So, Filipino doctors are usually graduates from the best medical institution. Medical tourism in the Philippines is supported by the Philippine government through the Department of Tourism and the Department of Health. So, medical tourism is supported by the Department of Tourism, that is to encourage, promote, and develop tourism as a major socio-economic activity to generate foreign currency and local employment. Ultimately, spreading the benefits of tourism to both the private and public sector, and the Department of Health also support medical tourism to provide national policy and direction and develop national plans, technical standards, and guidelines on health.
In 2006, the Philippines was launched as a world medical tourism destination. The Philippines is known in the medical tourism sector as the heart of Asia because of the unique Filipino way of compassionate caring for foreign visitors.
Cardiovascular care focuses on maintaining heart health and addressing cardiovascular issues that may arise during cancer treatment. Cancer treatment can lead to cardiovascular problems such as cardiomyopathy, arterial hypertension, and myocarditis. Management may include temporary or permanent cessation or certain drugs and cardiovascular focused medical intervention. Exercise intervention can help preserve cardiovascular health during and after cancer therapy. Cancer care involves addressing the impact of obesity on cancer survival and recurrence. Obesity is linked to increased cancer risk and worsen outcomes for cancer survivors. Intervention include weight management, diet adjustment, and exercise to reduce cancer progression or recurrence. Managing weight and lifestyle factor is crucial for cancer survivors' long-term health. Stem cell therapy shows promise in cardiovascular repair and regeneration. Pluripotent stem cell and mesenchymal stem cells are effective in myocardial regeneration and cardiac function restoration. Challenge remain in fully realizing the therapeutic potential of stem cells therapy for cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular regenerative medicine aims to replace or regenerate damaged cardiac tissue for better outcomes. Joint replacement surgery involves replacing damaged joint parts with artificial components to relieve pain and improve function. It is common for individuals with severe joint issues, often due to conditions like arthritis. Post-operative care and rehabilitation are essential for successful recovery and long-term joint function. Multidisciplinary weight management care is crucial throughout cancer treatment to improve outcomes. Addressing excess body weight, poor diet, and inadequate physical activity among cancer survivors is key. Lifestyle modification, including nutrition and exercise, help reduce the risk of cancer progression or recurrence. Organizations like the American Society of Clinical Oncology emphasize the importance of weight management for cancer survivors.
Eye care is to relieve pain, prevent infection, and further injury, and allow for installation of eye drops. Dental care. Dental care is the maintenance of clean lines and health of mouth, teeth, and gums. Oral and maxillofacial surgery is the surgical special concerned with diagnosis and treatment of disease affecting the mouth, jaws, face, and neck. Aesthetic, dermatology, plastic, and reconstructive surgery is performed to improve someone's appearance. Reconstructive plastic surgery, on the other hand, helps improve both the appearance and the function of the face and body. It can it can address inherited deformities, traumas, or preventions after surgeries, including mastectomy or lumpectomy.
The Philippines is well known for its diverse legacy of wellness practices that are firmly ingrained in its cultural traditions. Among these numerous healing practices has been passed down through the decades, providing a combination of physical, mental, and spiritual rejuvenation. One of the most notable aspects of Filipino wellness culture is its array of traditional healing practices. The traditional medical practitioner or traditional healer is defined as someone who is recognized by the community as a competent to provide health care by using midwifery, herbology, skin scraping, herbal steam and smoke, energy medicine, and other form of metaphysical healing. The most well known of these traditional treatments is hilot,
which is a therapeutic massage with a specific meaning in Filipino culture. Hilot is a set of treatments used by a competent therapist to relieve muscle discomfort and tension. The therapist kneads and manipulates the muscle to promote the relaxation and relieve discomfort. This technique is not only about physical comfort, it may also encompass spiritual healing as the therapist seeks to balance the body energies and improve overall wellness.
Traditional wellness treatment. Ventosa o massage cupping therapy that is the basically done placing heat glass on the surface of the body along the specific acupoint creating suction as a way of the stimulating the flow of energy. Traditional wellness practice include ceremonies that use of plant-based medicine, energetic therapies, and physical techniques. Well-being considering various aspects of an individual health, like physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, social, and interpersonal. Taal as known as the lava stone of therapy. It is a type of massage of therapy that involves the use of smooth heat volcanic stone. These stones are typically made of basalt, the type of volcanic rock that retain heat well. Bamboo type massage therapies involve using bamboo stick of and diameter perform deep tissue bodywork promoting circulation, sensory, nerves, and perception.
Baños. Imagine a luxurious aromatic bath infused with nature's essence. Baños, a traditional Filipino practice, involves soaking in a warm tub filled with herbal and floral concoctions. Specific plants might be chosen for their medicinal properties, like calming lavender or invigorating lemongrass. Often essential oils are added to enhance the fragrance and therapeutic effects. Oslob. Oslob, distinct from baños, is a type of herbal steam bath. Picture a small enclosed space filled with the fragrant steam of medicinal herbs. The heat and steam open your pores, allowing the therapeutic properties of the chosen plants to be absorbed. Oslob is particularly known for its detoxifying and relaxing properties. Hilot or sea stone scrub. Hilot, a traditional Filipino healing practice, incorporates various techniques. One such technique is the sea stone scrub. Imagine a massage therapist using smooth, flat stones, often warmed with hot oil, to gently exfoliate their skin. The therapist might incorporate pressure points and specific strokes to stimulate circulation and promote relaxation.
Spa in the Philippines offers several beauty and wellness treatments such as massage, rubs, scrubs, and others. It's about of healthy habits that can help improve physical and mental health. Fortunately, wellness tourism is gaining momentum and caters to the needs of travelers. Common spa service, massage, facials, and body therapy, the spa and wellness facilities are where people go to exercise and have special treatments in order to improve their health. Spa allows you to get away from the stress of the day, revitalize and relax with massages and treatments. Spa is possible to benefit from all kind of therapy techniques such as anti-cellulite treatments, facial and skin care cleaning. Spa relax muscles. Your massage therapist will focus on reducing any pain you experience to promote full body relaxation. This is done by easing tense muscles and improving your flexibility. Wellness tourism offers activities and programs that encourage relaxation to help people improve their physical, mental, and emotional health. It offers a range of services and treatments designed to nurture the mind, body, and spirit.
Type of spa. Day spa offers different spa service to a client on a day-use basis and includes services of hair and beauty salon. In day spa, typically day spa offers a range of treatment. Day spas do not include overnight stay on your package, but you can get one or a combination of treatments you desire. These spas generally classify the services into one of treatments, full day spa or an all-inclusive package. Destination or resort spa provides client with a lifestyle and health improvement through spa treatments, physical fitness, and on-site accommodations. In destination spa or resort spa is a fully equipped spa with state-of-the-art facilities and the top practitioner in their field, offering dedicated spa retreat programs. The emphasis on overall wellness with each spa specializing in a different area of experience, a particular philosophy, or a unique location.
Hotel spa. A hotel spa is a facility inside a hotel that provides spa services, fitness, and wellness amenities. This type of spa is often provided as a hotel service. Medical spa. A medical spa combines the characteristic of a clinic with a day spa. It offers comprehensive medical and wellness services under the supervision of a medical specialist. This type of spa provides the variety of service in addition to those offered by a standard day spa, such as medical treatments and procedures.
Continuity of care. Philippines can give continuity care to their patients. Even they travel abroad for medical treatment, this collaboration not only enhances care quality but it also allies to pressure on local healthcare system and makes medical travel more accessible, convenience to the patient. Several institutions and medical travel facilitators have implemented a mechanism for quickly transfers medical information including HUG data like CT and MRI image. This system enables the efficient enhance of patient medical histories and current status across many healthcare facilitators and regardless of location.
Concierge services, a staff member of a hotel or apartment complex who assist guests or residents, as by handling the storage of luggage, taking and delivering messages, and making reservations for tours, greeting guests, running errands to assist guests, and arranging transportation and excursions upon visitor request.
Concierge services, such as those provided by the International Patient Care Center, are specialized services that cater to the needs and preferences of individuals in a personalized and attentive manner. The International Patient Care Center focuses on ensuring that every patient's visit is comfortable and pleasant by taking care of the details and providing excellent support throughout the patient's journey. And for our next topic, the tourism packages in the Philippines. And we have components of medical tourism packages in the Philippines. First, medical treatments. Second, the recovery facilities. After undergoing medical procedures, patients are provided with accommodations that cater to their recovery needs. This may include comfortable rooms, nursing care, and medical supervision to aid in the recovery process. Third, visit to wellness centers. Wellness centers that offer services focused on relaxation and rejuvenation. These centers may provide spa treatments, massage, yoga sessions, and other therapies to promote healing and well-being. Fourth, tourism and destinations. Patients are often given the opportunity to explore popular tourist destinations in the Philippines during their recovery period. This allows them to experience the culture, natural beauty, and attractions of the country, contributing to their overall well-being. And medical tourism packages in the Philippines often include visits to places for relaxation, recovery, and rejuvenation to provide patients with a comprehensive experience that addresses not only their medical needs but also their emotional and physical well-being.
Myths on medical tourism. Myth 1. Medical tourism lacks credibility and should not be taken seriously because it is part of the tourism industry. But the fact is, medical tourism is not about getting medical treatment while on vacation. It's about seeking high quality and cost-effective healthcare services in other countries. People travel specifically to receive medical care not just because they are on holiday. Myth 2. Low cost means low quality. The fact is, the cost of living in the Philippines is lower than in developed countries, which means medical services can be offered at a lower price. Despite the lower cost, the medical facilities are world-class and are used by the Filipino elite. This means expatriates and tourists can receive top-quality medical care at affordable rates.
Medical tourism is a growing trend where individuals travel to other countries to obtain medical treatment. However, there are often misconceptions and myths associated with this practice. One such myth is the belief that medical tourism in the Philippines is a recent development. The fact, however, contradicts this myth as people have been traveling to the Philippines for medical treatment for several decades. While it's true that the Philippines has gained recognition as a healthcare destination in recent years, the practice of traveling to the country for medical reasons has a long-standing history. The increasing number of tourists visiting the Philippines for medical purposes has contributed to its growing reputation as a hub for high-quality healthcare. This dispels the myth and highlights the long-standing tradition of medical tourism in the Philippines.
Myth 5. Tourists in the Philippines will make access to healthcare difficult for local patients. This might suggest that tourists in the Philippines will overwhelm the healthcare system, making it harder for locals to access healthcare services. However, this is generally untrue. While there can be temporary strain on healthcare resources in popular tourist destinations during peak season, the Philippines healthcare system is designed to accommodate both locals and tourists.
Good day everyone, this is my report. Asian Hospital, accredited by the Joint Commission International or JCI, is one of the best heart hospital in the Philippines. That's the reason why Asian Hospital is the best hospital in Metro Manila. Cardinal Santos Medical Hospital is one of the Philippines' leading hospital specializing in the field of cardiology, neurosurgery, oncology, gastroenterology, and rehabilitation medicine. Capital Medical Center is one of the hospital specializing in the field of allergology, gastroenterology, oncology, hematology, cardiology, pulmonology, and internal medicine. Next is Makati Medical Center. Makati Medical Center specialized for the bone problem like arthritis and joint replacement. arthroplasty procedure, construct of a new movable joint, and spine surgery. The last one is Manila Doctor Hospital. This hospital is cardiovascular center, houses the finest and most comprehensive heart care facilities. And that's all. Thank you.
Manila Doctors Hospital. Manila Doctors Hospital established in 1956. 1956 is a prestigious private tertiary hospital in Manila, Philippines with 300 beds. It offers high-quality healthcare and state-of-the-art facilities. The hospital is known for its experienced doctors and community to, community to the world-class healthcare service operating 24/7. And Manila Medical Center. Manila Medical Center is a 250-bed tertiary hospital in Ermita, Manila, Philippines. Established in 1967, it offers a wide range of medical service and it are, are and is accredited by PhilHealth. The hospital has various facilities and employs around 280 individuals. Paranak, Paranak, Paranak. Paranak Doctors Hospital, established in 2027. And the Paranak Doctors Hospital, established in 2007 and is a 99-bed tertiary healthcare facility in Paranak City, Philippines, accredited by DOH and PhilHealth. It offers a wide range of medical service including emergency care, surgery, and cardiology. The hospital is committed to providing affordable and high-quality healthcare service to the community. St. Luke's Medical Center is a primary hospital in the Philippines with branches in Quezon City and Taguig City, known as for world-class health service and state-of-the-art facilities. It offers a wide range medical special and is committed to the providing exceptional patient care. And last one, the Medical City is a top healthcare institution in the Philippines, located in Ortigas Center, Pasig City, known for excellence in patient care and advanced facilities. The Medical City offers a wide range of medical service across different special staffed by skilled healthcare professional. And
University of Santo Tomas Hospital is one of the premier healthcare institutions in the Philippines, known for its comprehensive range of medical services and advanced facilities. However, a specific accreditation for medical tourism should be verified directly with the hospital or through reputable accreditation organizations. World City Medical Center, located in Quezon City, Philippines, offers a range of medical services. It markets itself as a provider of high-quality healthcare, but specific international accreditations relevant to medical tourism should be verified through direct inquiry or research on their website. Bay Points Hospital and Medical Center is another healthcare provider that may offer services aimed at medical tourists. To confirm if they have specific accreditation for medical tourism, you should check their credentials through authoritative bodies or contact them directly. Tagaytay Hospital and Medical Center provides medical services in Tagaytay, Philippines. Whether they are accredited for medical tourism should be checked through their official communications or by inquiring about any international accreditations they might hold. Santa Rosa Hospital and Medical Center offers a variety of healthcare services in Santa Rosa, Philippines. As with the other hospitals, checking their accreditation status through recognized international organizations or direct inquiry is necessary to determine their standing as accredited medical tourism providers.
Palawan Adventist Hospital, a private healthcare institution located in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. It offers a range of medical services, is known for its commitment to quality healthcare and patient satisfaction. Cebu Doctors University Hospital, a leading tertiary medical facility in Cebu City. This hospital is affiliated with Cebu Doctors University. It's known for providing comprehensive healthcare services including advanced diagnostic and specialized treatment. Chunghwa Hospital, located in Cebu City. This is one of the largest, most advanced medical center in the Philippines. It offers wide range specialized medical services and has modern facilities that attract both local and international patients. Perpetual Sacor Hospital, also based in Cebu City. This hospital, known for compassionate care and advanced medical services, it offers a variety healthcare services including specialized treatment and diagnostic. Davao Doctors Hospital, situated in Davao City. This hospital is one of the top medical facilities in Mindanao. It is known for its state-of-the-art medical equipment, comprehensive healthcare services, catering to both local and international patients.
The Philippine Heart Center understands the importance of your privacy and is committed to maintain the confidentiality. National Kidney and Transplant Institute to specialize in the prevention, diagnosis, rehabilitation, and treatment of kidney and allied disease, throat, dialysis, and transplant. The Lung Center of the Philippines is regionally competitive, locally responsive premier institute for lungs and other chest disease, providing quality.
Philippines Children Medical Center, under the leadership of Dr. Julius Almario Lesiones, who has been Executive Director since 2006. The PCMC has been maintained level number 4 training hospital accreditation with an authorized 212 bed capacity serving patients from newborn to 19 years old as well as high-risk pregnant women. East Avenue Medical Center. Besides providing quality health care, East Avenue Hospital also serves as a training and teaching center. It accepts paramedical undergraduates as interns as well as aspiring medical practitioners to complete their residence requirements. Research Institution for Tropical Medicine. The Research Institution for Tropical Medicine is tasked by the Philippine Department of Health and the Philippine government to supervise, plan, and successfully implement research programs to prevent and control prevailing infectious and tropical disease in the Philippines.
Specialty clinics. Number 1, American Eye Center. 2, Asian Eye Institute. 3, A.T. Reyes Dermatology and Laser Center. 4, Velo Medical Group. 5, iRepublic Ophthalmology Clinic.
A home health center typically refers to a facility or organization that provides medical services, therapies, and support to patients in their homes. These centers offers a range of services such as nursing care, physical therapy, occupational therapy, medical social services,
and home health aid services. The Lubinis Makati Eye Laser Center appears to be a specialized facility focused on eye care and laser vision correction services, likely located in Makati, Philippines. This center typically offer advanced treatments such as laser surgery and other procedures aimed at correcting refractive error like nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. The Nazareth Formation House, Bob Garon Therapeutic Community Center seems to be an institution or facility that combines aspects of formation and therapy, likely focusing on rehabilitation or support services. The Knowledge Center for Alzheimer and Elderly Care appears to be a specialized facility dedicated to providing care and support for individuals with Alzheimer's disease and elderly individuals in need of assistance. The Self-Enhancement for Life Foundation Incorporation is an organization that focuses on personal development, empowerment, and support services for individuals. Thank you po.